We are all guilty of eating the wrong kind of food because we are too lazy to eat the right stuff. Either a busy day at the office or we are just feeling down and find a reason or an excuse rather get our hands on that burger we had been craving all week. Although we all try and eat healthily and say no to ordering dessert at dinner, it may not be enough. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Eating the right kind of food at the right time is what helps you attain and maintain good health. However, you may not be aware that it is equally important to keep in mind various food combos that can actually prove to be harmful. Here are a few combinations that we should avoid. Number 1. Tomatoes with cucumbers. Tomatoes and cucumbers are the most popular food combinations. You will find them together in many dishes, especially in salads. However, their combo is not that really healthy. The sane can hamper the biochemical pathways of our body. Both of them have different digestion times and it can confuse the system. So, ideally, have them separately. Number 2. Dairy and pineapple. Sour fruits make your digestion work slower, especially in the morning. Besides, pineapple contains bromelain, an enzymic complex that can cause intoxication when combined with dairy products. You can try to add dry apricots or plums instead of pineapple. Number 3. Potato and meat. Who can resist a steak with fries? Unfortunately, this is a very heavy food combination. The starch contained in potatoes demands alkalotic digestive fluids, and the proteins from meat demand acidic ones. When together, they just get stuck inside your stomach and can bring such disorders as heartburn, belching, gas, and many others. Number 4. Cereal and juice. We all like to start our mornings with something that gives us energy. The combination of cereal and juice will not give you too much energy to start your day and may leave you with some amount of discomfort, causing heaviness. The acids in orange juice lower the activity of the enzyme that breaks down carbohydrates. Number 5. Eggs and bacon. Something we all like to binge on, especially at a buffet breakfast. But the high protein content in the egg and the fat in the bacon is something that gives an instant energy boost as soon as you eat it, and this energy will vanish very soon, leaving you lethargic. Number 6. Muffins and juice. This is another common breakfast combination that will leave you feeling tired soon after. This meal trades the protein and fiber you need to start your day for excess carbohydrates, which will kick your blood sugar, but it will crash soon after. Number 7. Tomatoes in pasta. Who knew this staple meal for a lot of people was not good for the body? Pasta is rich in starchy carbs and difficult to digest. The tomatoes, which are highly acidic, cause hindrance in the digestion of starch and cause bloating. Number 8. Yogurt with fruit. A regular breakfast meal and something a lot of us eat without giving it a second thought. This too is not a very healthy combination, as when the protein-rich yogurt comes in contact with acidic fruit, it diminishes digestive fibers, produces toxins, and may even lead to cold allergies. Number 9. Beer and nuts. This is one of the most popular combinations from our college days. Everyone loves to eat salty nuts when drinking beer. However, high-salt foods are not only unhealthy by themselves but also lead to dehydration and increase the likelihood of having another pint of beer. Number 10. Pasta and minced meat. The same reasoning applies to minced meat with pasta. The salivary glands produce ptyalin and amylase, which transform the starch carbs into simple sugars. When simple sugars cover proteins, they create a dangerous chemical mixture that can lead to diabetes and CVDs. It is better to eat pasta as a separate dish. Try to choose pasta made of durum wheat and combine it with herb sauces. Number 11. Lemons and cough syrup. Lemons can block the enzymes that are required to break down statins and other drugs, including the cough suppressant dextromethorphan. If not broken down, the medicine can build up in the bloodstream, causing various side effects. Number 12. Bananas and milk. There are very few people on earth who don't like banana milkshake. But this also makes for a dangerous food combination, as this combination is a very heavy one and is very toxin-forming. It is said to create heaviness in the body and slow down the mind. Try to avoid this combination. If you cannot resist a milkshake, add a pinch of nutmeg or cinnamon to stimulate your digestive system. Number 13. Sandwich and coffee. When there is no time, a quick breakfast on the go is a common solution. Say hello to cheese sandwiches and coffee, and say goodbye to all the healthy properties of cheese. The simple carbs in bread prevent calcium from being digested properly and bringing help to your nervous and cardiovascular systems. Moreover, if you add instant coffee, there will be no benefit to your health at all. Number 14. Water and food. We often drink water or juice with our meals, but is not at all good for your body. Water dilutes our stomach acids, which are very important for digestion and breaking down of nutrients. One can drink water half an hour before meals, as the same can help us to avoid overeating. This list could go on forever with unhealthy food combinations, but now you know the basics, you are one step closer to becoming a healthier person. The mind and body work in synergy. Treat them both with respect and they will do the same for you. If you know of any other food combination that can be harmful, do let us know by commenting below.